Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this outfit for goddess or Greek theme in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay, for the face, you can choose this hairstyle, color it black, and also this hairstyle from the petal update. You're going to select the back and remove the flower and color it black, and you can put eyelash as well. And for the makeup, you can choose this makeup from the world culture update. Okay, the next one, I'm going to go to this area and we're going to choose this top. We're going to color it white for the first selection, and for the second selection you're going to color it with the gold color. This one you can copy my code, the color code, and then you're going to choose this butterfly, and then you're going to color it white for the butterfly top, and then change the material to glitter. For the first top you're going to make it glitter as well. Okay, but sorry guys, sometimes my glitter is not working, but it will be so beautiful if the glitter can appear. Okay, and the next one, we're going to go to the Valentine update box right here, and we're going to choose this earring, color it the same color, the same gold color, and you're going to choose this bracelet as well, color it with the same gold color. Okay, the next one, we're going to go to the dressing room, and then we're going to you're going to go to the currency item and make sure you have bought this dress. Okay, change the toggle to skirt only, and you're going to color it white for the first selection, and change the material to glitter, and for the next selection you're going to color it gold. Okay, just like this. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, and don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay guys, and the next one, we're going to go to the petal update area, which is right here, and you're going to choose this pink bow heel and also this flower. Then you're going to color them all with the gold color. You can also use this gold color for the combination. Okay, and then for the roses, just choose this gold color. Okay guys, just color them all with the gold color, and then you're going to choose this item as well, color it with the gold color. Okay, now let's move to the next area. I'm going to go to the necklace area. It's right here, and then you're going to choose this item, and then you're going to color it with the gold color for the first selection, and for the second selection just color them all with the same color. Okay, and the next one, you're going to choose this necklace and color it gold, and you're going to go to the adjustment. Oops, sorry. Choose this necklace. Okay guys, for the necklace you can copy my adjustment for the position, rotate, and also scale. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room again, and then we're going to wear the coat item. Okay, you're going to go to the coat item, and you're going to choose this crown and change the toggle. Okay, you're going to select toggle 2, and you're going to apply the same gold color for the second selection. Okay, oops. And the last one, you're going to go to the culture clothing area and wear the item from the Thailand. You can wear this necklace and also this accessory, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!